Special report.
Special report.
The soap opera of the man New Yorkers are calling Little Orphan Gary took another dramatic turn today. Gary Puppet, missing since 1994, but discovered by construction workers building the Howard Stern Expressway this past weekend, was released from Bellevue Hospital this morning after being struck by a town car driven by a man police call Ronnie the limo driver. Governor Andrew Cuomo held a press conference outside the hospital to announce he would be adopting Gary Puppet as his own son. They traveled by motorcade to 80 Maiden Lane in New York, where the adoption was witnessed by American war hero Captain Jenks. But moments later, outside the building, tragedy struck when radio DJ Don Imus appeared, snatched Gary Puppet, and lifted off with a jetpack Lex Luthor style, cackling madly. "You stole my son," Governor Cuomo shouted after him. "I blame Vladimir Putin."
Vladimir Putin.